Are you facing the error the DNS server isn't responding on Windows 11? Well, worry not, because in this video, I will provide you with the appropriate solutions you can apply to fix this error. All you need to make sure is to follow the guidelines properly. So without any delay, let's jump right in. Solution 1. Set your DNS manually. First, what you need to do is click the search bar on your window and search Network Connections. When it shows here, open it up and look for your Wi-Fi adapter or Ethernet. The settings will be the same for both, so just select the one you're using. I can see my Wi-Fi adapter here. I will select Properties. Now we need to select Internet Protocol version 4 here and then go to Properties. In here, check on the option Use the following DNS server addresses. Now we have to enter the preferred DNS server, which is 8.8.8.8. After that's done, select the alternate DNS server and input 8.8.4.4. When it's done, click OK to apply the changes and close the window. You will notice that your adapter is identifying the network, which usually means the issue is solved. But if it's not resolved, proceed to the next solution. Solution 2. Reset DNS settings from Control Panel. Go to Windows search bar and type CMD or command prompt. Now right click on it and select Run as Administrator and say yes to continue. Here you need to execute a few commands. But don't worry, because I'll write these down in the video description below. First of all, type ipconfig /flushdns and press enter. Then type ipconfig /registerdns and press enter. After this, type ipconfig /release and press enter. And again, type ipconfig /renew and press enter. And now type netsh winsock reset catalog and hit enter. After that, type netsh int ipv4 reset.log and hit enter. So again, type netsh int ipv4 reset.log and press enter. And at last, type exit and press enter. After the command prompt is closed, restart your device. And as you can see, the issue is solved. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.